Chrissy, thank you. New this morning, billionaire Stan Kroenke joins the Midway Rising as a majority investor in the sports arena project.
San Diego, this is exciting. Watch this quick video. There may be a new development for the old San Diego Sports Arena, 48 acres, 2,000 new homes, 16,000 seat arena, and maybe even some professional sports coming back.
Chrissy, thank you. New this morning, billionaire Stan Kroenke joins the Midway Rising as a majority investor in the sports arena project.
The real estate mogul will be paying for the majority of this 48-acre project. Mayor Todd Gloria's office says this move was approved on Friday after several months of vetting. The new project will bring in 4,000 residential units, a 200-room hotel, 20 acres of parking and green space, and of course that 16,000-seat arena. Kroenke also owns the LA Rams and the Denver Nuggets, so his investment could spark speculation for a possible San Diego professional sports team down the road.
What?